Hello guys, my name is Neeraj and I'm going to record a video today to showcase how we can perform bulk migration from uh, our on-prem server to Office 365. We are going to follow this article, which is a Microsoft article, and we are going to perform 4 steps, what you will see in upcoming video, and you will get to know what these things are in the upcoming videos. So let's keep watching. Follow this article, that is, use network upload to import your organization's PST files to Office 365. So we need to follow some prerequisites, that is, we need to have the PST file first of all. So we can go to the local Outlook. This is the Outlook that can be on your on-prem server. However, we need, as we are doing it for Office 365, we need to export the PST file and save it in a location, and from where we can transport it to the database or the mailbox of Office 365. So what we need to do here is we need to go to File, then go to Open and Export, hit the Export button, and then you can select the file, what you exactly want to do. We need to export it, so I will hit the export, hit next. We found the PST file, hit next, and here you will see the databases, like the mailboxes we have. We have some public folders created for some other users. However, I'm going to export the data, the mailbox of user admin. You can hit that and hit the next button, and then you can browse the location where you want to have this PST file. I have selected the desktop, hit OK. Well, I have already did that, so I will hit cancel, and here you can see that I have the backup file. It is of 6 MB, I believe. Okay, so the next step we need to follow is use this Microsoft article, which is here. And the very first step, it says that you need to go to protection.office.com. We can go to this link, and here this link is open, and here we need to go to data governance and hit the import button. As soon as I have hit the new import job, I need to assign the job. So for me, this is the mailbox 1. I will hit next. So this is going to allow you to follow certain steps. It says upload your data. But actually, Microsoft offers you 2 options to upload their data to the online version of the database. Either you can upload your data directly from the laptop or the computer or desktop, whatever you are using. And the second option we have is the ship hard drives to one of our physical location, which means that you have the option to deliver your database that will be bit-locked. Microsoft uses BitLocker to encrypt their data, so you can encrypt your data and you can physically transfer them to their locations, and from there they will charge you $2 per 1 GB to transport all those mailboxes to the on-cloud server. So this is what we are not going to do. We are going to use the first one, which is upload your data. Hit the next button. So here we have 4 options to upload our data. We will read one by one. First of all, review the companion guide for uploading email PST data. The instruction in this guide will help you complete the steps in this wizard. We have already exported our data, that is the PST file, what I have kept it on my desktop. The second thing it says that we need to copy the SAS URL for network upload. You will see this is the data, this is the dest parameter of the Azure AzCopy Tool. So this is the AzCopy Tool. This is the tool what we are going to use to export our data to the Azure database. Basically, what Microsoft does is they save your data in one of the Azure location. They have their databases in Azure, so you can keep your mailboxes there for 30 days, and after that it will be deleted automatically. So once you have uploaded it, better you make your decision faster and upload it to the user's mailbox as soon as possible. So we need to download the tool first. I'm going to download it. So this is the SaaS URL. This is a URL that will link your on-prem data to the destination of the on-cloud. So I have hit that button to get the network location. This is a very secure location, and I would suggest that not to share this with anyone, because if someone have this link with them, they can upload some other data on your Azure services, so it is not recommended to do. So it is taking a little longer. I'm going to pause this video. Once you have the SaaS URL with you, you can copy this to the clipboard and then you can paste it in the notepad. This is what I did. So this is the clipboard file, and I kept it here. This is the destination URL of the Azure database, and let me go to the actual article what I'm following right now. So we need to follow the second step, which is to upload my PST file to the Office 365, which is basically the Azure database. So we are going to open the command prompt as it is stated here. We are going to open the command prompt, and then we will go to this location. So I'm just copying this location right now, and I'm going to open the command prompt with admin rights. And as soon as I have this open, I'm going to paste. I'm just going to go to this location. Let me tell you why I am at this location right now, because this is the actual folder where I have installed the AzCopy tool, and now we are going to copy this command what we need to run, because this is the actual what we need to do. I have copied it already, and this is where I have pasted it. This is the standard one. So you can see that this is the AzCopy.exe, that is the actual program. We need to define the source address then. This address is mentioned in UNC format, that is Universal Naming Convention format. If you see two backslashes, it means that it is a location which is assigned to a server or a printer or any other devices, any other network devices. Since I am using my local hard drive, which is not a server, so I can mention the source address in this format, which is acceptable. Next we have the destination address, and the destination address is the actual address of the Azure database what we got at security and compliance import data, and this is where we got the destination parameter. I have kept it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the command. This is the actual command what I have formatted so that I can run the I can initiate the transfer process from my local computer to the Azure database. Here is the command line. I'm going to paste the actual command here and hit enter. You may see some warning messages, but that is fine. And you can see that the transfer has been started. This may take a few minutes or even days, depends on the size of the database you have. For me it is of 6 MB, so it will show, so it should not take more than 2 minutes. Okay, I just wanted to tell you one thing. Do you see the -v? This is the actual address where I can keep the log of this status, the log files of this uh, command, what we are running here. If we have any problem, that will be delivered there. So the transfer process has been completed. I have copied one file which was located here. This is my C drive, and I kept my backup file here. Let me tell you why I did that. Previously, I kept my database file here, right here in the desktop. However, the problem was, if you see the address of this desktop, you will find that my name is right there. This is Neeraj Kumar, and there is a space between that. I tried to run this command previously, however, because of this reason, because of this space, it was not working. So I changed the actual location of the backup file to the actual C drives so that I don't have any blank spaces between the folder name. And once the upload process has been completed, now I can go to the, I need to verify if the PST file has been updated correctly to the Azure database. For that, Microsoft offers another command, and we are going to the same. Okay, so it says the step number 3, view a list of PST files uploaded to the Office 365. It means that you can actually see, you can verify that what files you have actually in the database. So this is you need to download a tool that is called Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer tool. I have downloaded it and I have installed it, and I'm currently running this application. So here it is. These are the 4 or 5 backups. These are the testing backups what I have uploaded before. Let me tell you how you can access this. Once you have installed this program, you will see this option, that is storage account, because this is going to be stored in the storage account of your username. Once you have the Office 365 subscription, Microsoft offers you a storage account in Azure AD, and you can enter your actual username and password of the admin account of O365 to access it. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to follow these steps. It says connect to Azure storage. I did that, and then I use the SAS URI. Let me tell you what this SAS URI mean. This is actually the destination of the URL, which is where my database is located. So this SAS URI would be the same as we have here. So the one that starts with HTTPS, this is the destination, and this is the SAS URI. So once you have it, you can connect to Azure storage. Well, I'm already connected, so I may not see this option, but I can see that here. Okay, so it says use a shared URI signature. I click that and then hit the next button, and this is where you need to enter the URI, which is this. I want to copy this and paste it right here. The display name will be updated automatically, so you need not to do anything. Hit the next button, and it is saying that you must verify that the things you are doing is correct. Then hit the connect button, and here I have another file open with me, and see, let me tell you why it is happening. Primarily, I updated my backup data in this folder that had 1, 2, 3, 4. Primarily, I updated 4 PST files, and then I updated this other one, that is the back file. Back PST is the last one what I have updated. So this is where I have verified already that we have the data in the Azure database. Now what I'm going to do is, in order to transfer your mailboxes correctly to the correct user mailbox on cloud, we need to download, or we need to map the locations. So we need to download this. This is the step number 4. You can create the PST import mapping file. You can download this mapping file so that you can map the correct user PST file, that is the user mailbox, with the correct account in Office 365. So this is how the mapping file looks like. Okay, it is available for 4 users right now, and if you have hundreds of users, you can add them in the same manner. Let me tell you what are the meaning of this and how is it going to map. Okay, so the first thing first, the file path, I would suggest that you keep it blank, as I'm going to upload only one user, so I'm going to keep it like that. The first thing first, just keep the file path blank, just do not enter anything in that. Next we have the PST file, what we need to update, the name of the PST. I have already updated one, the backup actual one, so I can hit the back.pst. Then you can do 2 things here. You even have the option to copy this PST file and paste it in the user mailbox of some other user. Primarily I did this for my admin account, but right now I'm going to do this for my other vanity domain, which is, let me type that. Well, I'm trying this for the first time, so I don't know if this is going to work or not. My vanity domain is neerajkumar.xyz. So let me tell you why we are doing this. Once we have entered these values will run a PowerShell command in backend in Azure system, what we are not aware of, but it will run for sure. And it says is archive. It means that, do you want to save this PST file in your archive folder? I'm saying no. It means pause. I don't want to archive it. I want to save it as it was associated with the older user. Now it says target root folder. The root folder is the one. Suppose that you have been assigned a mailbox. The default folders are there, like inbox, deleted mailbox folder, the draft folder. There are other folders as well, but I'm going to keep it in the root folder, so I need to enter a slash. And now I can save this file, save. Just a minute, I need to define the location. Yes, I'm saving it at my desktop. Okay, I have saved the file. Do you need to keep this one? Yes. Okay, I need to minimize that. Now I am in my admin center where we were working on the update. So I have done uploading my files. Yes, I did. Do I have the access to the mapping file? Yes, I have. Hit the next button, and here I'm going to upload the mapping file what we created and paste it at the desktop. This is the actual file. Open it. This is necessary that you validate so that it doesn't create any problem while matching the databases. So hit the validate button and wait for a few seconds. It has been validated. Now I can hit the save button. Success. So I have requested Microsoft Azure to sync my mailboxes. I did this for the very first one I have is the mailbox one. What I did prior to recording this video, and I am mapping it with my admin account. I exported my admin account database data, that is the PST file, and kept it in the desktop, and then I uploaded it to the Azure system, and just to verify, I deleted all the emails in my account, and now I have uploaded these data again. So let's see how it goes. There is one important thing. You can perform the task here. You have completed all your tasks, but now it is the task of the Microsoft to complete the process. The analysis part has been completed, it says, but I don't know what is going on. It says analysis completed as status. So let's see what happens here. It may take 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. You cannot promise what the actual hours are, because this is something that depends on the backend process. We have no control over it. The analysis part has been completed, and after that I hit the ready to import to Office 365, and it is loading right now. And now I can hit the import to Office 365. It is asking me an option: do you want to filter out your data? I really don't want to. I just want my data, what it was available with my PST file. So I will hit the no button and hit next. Import data. This is a file size of only 5.34 MB. So as soon as I have hit this button, now it is under process right now. I did this for the MB1 file previously, and it has been completed. It was for my admin at neerajkumar.xyz account. What I'm accessing right now in my incognito mode, and you can see that I have 15 emails. Earlier it was 5, and these were the emails which were available in my PST files. These were the test emails, and now I can see that it is available in my actual folder, the target folder. So the migration has been completed. Thank you so much for watching. This is Neeraj Kumar signing off. Goodbye.